Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Front CRM, a unique platform that combines team collaboration and customer relationship management into one seamless solution. In this guide, we'll walk you through what Front CRM is, its key features, and how you can use it to manage your customer interactions and team workflows efficiently. Whether you're new to CRM tools or exploring better ways to enhance team collaboration, this tutorial will help you get started. So before we get started, first, what is Front CRM? Front CRM is a modern customer relationship management tool that brings together email, messaging, and team collaboration in one centralized platform. Unlike traditional CRMs that focus heavily on sales pipelines, Front emphasizes fostering meaningful customer relationships by making communication more personal and organized. It allows teams to manage emails, chat, and social messages collaboratively, ensuring no customer query goes unanswered while maintaining a personal touch. This is why it's ideal for businesses that prioritize excellent customer service alongside efficient team collaboration. So now let's move forward. So in the Front CRM website, you can try their software for free or their platform for free. So simply click on try for free and sign up for an account. After signing up, you will now be redirected to this page right here. And now Front will ask you to help them customize our experience. So what challenges are you looking to solve? So let's say, let's just check all of this. How do your customers contact you? Say email, social media. Now click on Start Setup. Now it's time to set up. First, tell us what team is using Front. Let's say customer support. Click on Next. So use recommended. Click on Next. And now click on Done. So as you can see, they have this tip right here. So learn how to use Front faster than sending one email. You can click on Show Me, but now let's just click No Thanks. So to use Front CRM, as you can see, after you created your account, you'll have your setup guide right here. So basically, Front is going to teach you about the basics of how to use the CRM. So as you can see, the first thing you want to do is create your first shared inbox. So this is what we created earlier. Now next is set up the rules for your first shared inbox. So click on that. So specify your goals. That next, create a rule to ensure timely response. So what's your team's reply time goal for this inbox? Let's just say 30 minutes. Click on next. And now Front is going to generate some tags. So just wait for it. Now the rules are all set up. Click on done. Next is we want to understand front inboxes versus channels. Now you want to connect your first shared channel, invite your team, and learn the best practices of managing your front inboxes. So I won't be going through all of this. This is going to be your work. So I'm just going to walk you through all of the features of Front CRM. So basically, right here in your inbox, you will see messages, as you can see. So you want to set up your workspace to start collaborating. So you can complete this setup. So you can sync your Gmail or your other email accounts here in front. You can also see a mess inboxes that are assigned to you, shared with you, and the discussions. And we can see the shared inbox right here. As you can see, this is what we created a while ago and the other shared inboxes. You can also see assigned, waiting, resolved, the trash, and the spam emails. Next is we have the calendar. So as you can see right here, we have our calendar. So what you can do is you can connect or add your Google Calendar here or your Office 365 calendar. And basically, it works the same as those calendars. You can select specific dates to add tasks or appointments. Next is our contacts. So from here, we can access all of our contacts. So we have the shared contacts, private contacts, auto-created contacts, and the lists. We also have the accounts right here. So basically, this is the basic for all CRMs, which is the contacts. So from here, you can create your own contact by filling up all of this information right here, such as the name. You can edit the access. You can add an account, their contact information, such as the email address, phone number, or the X handle. And of course, you can always add descriptions to this contact. And also, if you don't want to add contacts one by one, you can always do this import contact right here. So you can import it from your Outlook directory, from HubSpot, from Salesforce, or from a CSV file. Next is we have the analytics. So from here, we will see analytics, such as the analytics for your workload. Let's just go to our live dashboard. So as you can see, we have our live dashboard right here where we can see live our inboxes. So we will see all of the incoming inboxes, the waiting, the unassigned inboxes, and the oldest. So for the workload, we will see a bunch of different graphs and charts right here for our key metrics, the workload over time, busiest times, efficiency, and all those. Next is team performance. So again, this is just analytics or reports for your current work. So just feel free to explore more about the analytics right here. And lastly is the knowledge base. So this is like free made articles. As you can see, you can add articles right here. Oh, you can create your own articles instead. You can also select the setting. You can change the colors of your articles, the content, configuration, domains, redirects, and support report. So that's basically all of the features of Front CRM. So simply feel free to explore more about how you can use it for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.